All right, so what's up, everybody? On Deck with Third Eye Cam. I just had to step out after I took my shower. I'm about to roll out with my shouty. My planet that we were looking at earlier, my planetoid. This is the whole thing right here. So this is the surface, and you can see the chemtrail going through. He just literally came through, and check out how the crescent of it forms up, cause the sun is hit closer to us. This is further back, so the sun is hitting all this. The sun is hitting all that. That's why all this is lit up, and then, with our moon being in our so-called firmament space, look at how it crescents up. And look at the similarities. Not cause these are just clouds. These are not just clouds. Look how they span out. And these are the little wings that fly off of them as they're moving in the direction of the sun. And that's everything that's putting off. That's probably an asteroidal trail. Asteroidal trail. This is a burn of, where's the burn of it? This right here was the burn of it. Its travel path. That's the tail of its travel path. And I'm gonna zoom in a second, but I'm just looking at the layers. That's a arc off. Everything that's hitting our atmosphere, these little straight lines, is the arc off, and everything that's contouring like this is the actual sphere itself, and that's the landmass. Unfortunately, because we only seeing 38% light spectrum from my atmospheric position, and there's a lot of pollution my eyes and my lens have to travel through. And if I were up as high as these guys, I'd be able to see all that really clear. These guys are going across it. Tell you, everything is right here in the neighborhood. They try to make it seem like space is so, yeah, space is vast, but I feel like we're in a pocket hole for some reason. Let me back this thing all the way off. Yep, that's as far as I can go. But it's going that way with the sun. I noticed like the other ones pass from west to east. That's east back this way, west. And again, my time is show you my time. 7:46, 1946 for my military, and the day's date April 30th, 2025, and it's on a Wednesday. This is what I'm gonna show about for today, but just it's beautiful, man. Just watching all this, and this is landmass right here. This is a mountain or asteroid popped up from it. I want to say it's a landmass. No, let me see. If everything's going this way, then you can see the circular portion of the globe itself. This is the center, you know, the pole, either south or north pole. There's our sun going down. Our small local sun, not 93 million miles away. I'm trying to get it right in my head. Probably 9,300,000 miles away. I could see the sun being 9,300,000 miles away, and the moon right in descension to our planet, or this plane of existence called Earth. Yeah, I just want to show you that. It showed up really clear in our area. I'm in Virginia. This right here is Petersburg, and yeah. And look how why does the trail continue all the way through here and then disappear here? Why? Because there's a mountain or a piece of or a slice of that land that ovaled out, and as it's rolling through, hold on, back this off. As it's rolling through with the sun, the sun pushes that, integrates with its atmosphere, and it's actually still there, but it's being hidden due to shadowing because the sun's light is not hitting it. Took me a minute to figure that out, but I'm looking for details. I'm gonna get the details. I'm gonna give the details, you know what I mean? And there's our moon going into its wax, coming out of its wing, getting ready to hit into a full. But yeah, whole planetoid. Look at that, beautiful. That's landmass. Looks like a face too right there. Looks like a face. Like one of them little aliens. Look like a Darth Vader type face with a Klingon hairstyle, like Lieutenant Worf from Star Trek. Kind of looks like a little monkey face, like Thoth. Like the little baboon face. I can see it too from like just visually looking at it. But yeah, there's our moon. Chemtrail flying by. This is landmass. All this is landmass. You can see the ripples right here. That's another thing I want to point out. That's ripples coming off of probably the moon. So if you got this big landmass right here, this looks like a little moon right here that's following behind it, and it's here going above my head. Here. I guarantee you that's a moon. Not because of this little curvature, but I can tell by the way it's coming by. If it's not a moon, it's integrated into this jagged planetoid, but this is definitely planetoid. It's going all the way up above my head into the darkness of space. And the reason why our sun is not hitting it, because our sun is not that big. That star settling in the west is not that big. That ball of light, whatever gods there were, they fused that together. The Most High God in the Bible made that sun, so he created, was it fission, fusion, because fission is a splitting, fusion is the coming together of molecules, you know, atoms and whatnot. So he created fusion when he made that sun, and that moon was towed in from either Saturn or Jupiter. They talk about Saturn. I can see that too. It's a lot going on that y'all don't know about, that you lied about. But anyways, that's all I got for now. I'm going to be signing off. Third eye cam. Nothing in the east. Everything's in the west, settling with the sun. We shall be back. Poof.